Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question, June 2023 and 13 variant question number 9. For say curve which passes through 0, 3 have this equation, and this is a derivative given by him, not to find, given, and find equation. You know it very well, students. When we have a y and we differentiate, we get dy over dx, differentiate. And if I want to go back, equation of curve, this is integration. All of you familiar. And writing style is a little different if I write not y, f of x, because look at here, y of x. So if you write this way, f of x, differentiate, you get f dash of x. So same story. And if you want to go back, you get f of x. So this, I think, idea is clear. If you don't like f of x, you can replace by y also. No issue at all. Let's start from here. So f dash of x, but I will do f dash. So bring this up because we can't differentiate, not even integrate if function in denominator. You have to bring it up. Now I'm writing here integrating both sides. When I integrate both sides, let's see what happens. Integration of f dash of x will give you f of x. How, sir? Look, I just explained to you. When I integrate this, I get back. All right. Is equal to integral sign 1 minus 2 x minus 1 to power negative 3 dx. What is basic technique? You know it very well, students. When you integrate, integration of 1 becomes x. And this increase the power by 1 divided by same. If I increase in this power, I will get negative 2. And divided by same, negative 2. And times 2 base derivative, luckily 1, because x is a 1, this 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. So this one you write or you don't write, no problem. And C, always comes. Okay. Now, f of x equal to, and simplify. Negative 2 into negative, this positive 2 to cancel out. Okay, you can see clearly. And I will bring the whole thing in denominator to make the power again positive. This negative 2 become algebra. Up till here, one step integration, rest algebra. Now I'll say that as this point lies on it, 0, 3. So I will put simple and straight, x is equal to 0 and y is 3. You write y is equal to 3 like this, or you write f of x is equal to 3, same thing. So I'm putting 3 here. When I put 3 here and 0 and 0, okay, you know it well, students. This will happen. This power 2 will eat negative sign, will convert into positive 1. 1 goes there and subtract from 3, so c becomes 2. Put this back in equation here. So finally, equation of curve which I'm getting is this: x minus 1 to power 2 and plus 2. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. I think okay. So this 4 marks obtained here. Now let's go for next part. Next part, what is saying, this is a little hard to understand. As a teacher, I suggest you, whenever he give you this kind of question, please try to sketch rough, whatever diagram you just make it, okay? Because it's a hard to understand this kind of curve and it's not easy to sketch, okay? All right. But look at here, read the statement, please. The tangent to curve at 0, 3. Where is 0, 3? X is 0, y is 3. X is 0, y is 3. 1, 2, 3. This point is 0, 3. Okay. Now he's saying the tangent to curve at this intersects. Intersects means what? Two options. Y equal to y, x equal to x. When two curves and line intersect, at that particular point, y and y equals to each other, even x equal to each other, right? Okay, so this idea is very, very clear. Okay, he's saying the tangent to curve at this point. So intersect the curve again at a point P. So job number 1, I will find equation of curve at 0, 3. So this is my job number 1. So I assume this is like, I can't say 100% the same diagram, but just imagine this kind of curve. And if I take a scale and I draw a tangent at this point, this is a tangent at this point, you think you guess that. So this black color tangent is intersecting the curve at P. This is not an accurate diagram, just a rough idea. And this is a point of tangency, okay? So x, well, okay, now let's start. Do you know, student, how to find equation of tangent? You need, first of all, what? Let me try here. First of all, I write this thing, this equation I'm writing here. Hold on. Okay, this equation I copy, or even I write again. I'm writing again. F dash of x equal to 1 minus 2 over x minus 1 to power 3. This equation of curve, sorry, this equation, the derivative of the equation I'm taking from here and I'm shifting here. You can ask me, so why you are shifting this there only? Logic, I tell you logic. Because my first task is what, student? Equation of tangent to find. Equation of tangent to find. The question come in mind, how to find equation of tangent, sir? Y minus y1 equal to m times 2x minus x1. So we need x1, we have. We need y1, we have. We need gradient of the black line. Oh, we don't have. But how to get that one? So you know it very well. This 0, if I plug in derivative, because for your knowledge, dy or dx, I mean gradient, derivative is also called gradient. Okay, or I can say f dash of x, so no issue at all. I will plug in 0 directly in this equation. When I put x is equals to 0, so it will give me what? It will give me gradient directly of tangent by default. So 2 over 0 minus 1 to power 3. This is -3, negative will go out, negative, positive, and gradient of the tangent is becoming 3. Now I can go to plug in the top equation, and equation of tangent I'm going to find now. So equation of tangent. How to find, students? Not a hard job. Y minus y1 equal to m times 2x minus x1. So y1 is very clear, you know, 3. M I got 3. X1 I got 0. So if I simplify this, 3x multiplying 3 will go and add. So this is my equation of tangent. But he said what? He said the tangent, it is intersecting the curve again. So curve equation I have, oh sorry, curve equation is where? Curve equation is there. Curve equation is this equation of curve. So I will take the whole equation of curve. So this equation of curve, I copy here. I'm copying here actually, okay? So this equation of curve. According to plan, this equation of tangent and equation of curve, as they are intersecting according to plan. So how to get this point of intersection? Simple. So we have to, what is the target? He said, show that x coordinate of P satisfy this equation. Short story, he's saying, when you will put them equal to each other, y equal to y, you will get this equation. You will get this equation. So let's start. I'm going to put them equal to each other. Y, fx same, so I will put them equal to each other. So this equation I'm going to copy here. So let's start. And I'm erasing this part and I'm putting this value here. So I believe all students understanding. Now I drag this down, and I'm writing here. So curve equal to tangent. All right, I think idea is clear. And what is my target? My target to convert this format into this format. Okay, if you look at carefully, so this x should not be here, should go there. Out of 3x become 2x matching. So this x will go then subtract from there, I get 2x. This 2 will subtract from there, I get a 1. See, it's a matching. Yes, matching. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. What left? This left only behind. So not a problem at all. Now it will cross multiply there. So it will turn to be this format. Done. And it means Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, and -1 equal to 0 proved. So it means what he was asking, check, is the same equation he was asking us. So Mabruk, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now he's saying, verify that x is 3/2 satisfy this equation. Repeat, 3/2 satisfy this equation. Whenever satisfy comes, look, I give an idea. There's a line, as a simple example. This is not this question is independent from this question. For example, line is x plus y equal to 5. If I say that this 1, 4 lies on it, so I will plug in 4 in the place of x. I will plug in, I will plug in this 1 in the place of x. I will plug in 4 in the place of y. And look, they are equal or not equal. This is called satisfying. This is called satisfying. So what I will do, student, I will plug in 3/2 here and here. So let's try to put 2 times 2, 3/2 plus 1, a break bracket, and again 3/2 comes here, and minus 1 power 2 on the top. And now check it. I'm 100% sure if I type this in calculator, I must get 0. Okay, so let's try it here. 3 cancel, 2 cancel. I got a 4 from here. And 2 is LCM. 2, 3 minus 2 square minus 1. And then I check it. This is coming. Square of 1 is 1 and 4. 1 by 1, 4. Cancel 1 minus 1, 0. 0 equal to 0. Verified. Okay, done. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. And further, what he said further, one more part he said, okay, what is that? He said, find the y coordinate, not our job. If I plug in how to get a y coordinate, common sense here at this point, point lies on the blue curve also. This point lies on the tangent as well. You plug in that x value either on a tangent or on a curve, same answer. So I think tangent is easy to use. Y equal to 3x plus 3. So y is equal to 3x plus 3. So this point 3 by 2 I'm putting there. So when I put it there, 3 by 2, I get y equal to 9 by 2 plus 3, LCM 2, and 2, 5, 6 plus 9, 6, 15 over 2. So alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen, I believe you got a point very, very clear.